today we have something that I actually haven't seen before. Ooh, this is called Tokyo Night. Damn! Damn! Expect to have Tokyo Night in here. A new design element for wireless earbuds. Lights, multicolored lighting effects that exist on the exterior of your earbuds for an added style component. This is from a company called HHOGene. The product is called GPods. Over here I have the retail packaging, and then in this box is kind of like a special unboxing experience. Now these things have gotten some compliments from a variety of publications. The Verge says that these are the most innovative TWS earbuds of the year. TechCrunch says it's a huge revolution in the earbud space. Earbuds are increasingly becoming an expression of one's style, a part of your outfit, which seems odd to say, but it is one of the only gadgets that you wear on the outside of your body. And they do tend to look kind of generic at some point. Let's start with this package. It says GPods, Dare to Shine. It's like a, whoa. Cool. So this is like one of those depth things where it looks three-dimensional, and then you have some of the different stylings that you can put on the GPods themselves. Of course, my favorite is this skull, because that's my favorite emoji. Kind of a cool little art piece. So here are the GPods in black. I've also got them in white. So these are like little shells that sit on the outside panel of the GPods and give you an enhanced design element. So yeah, you have colors, but you also have patterns via these shells. There is the skull, which would be my favorite of the bunch. This is kind of like a zebra pattern. Dare and Shine. That looks more zebra-like, or is that tiger-like? Gotta get my patterns sorted out. This is just like wavy. So I guess you can pick these up as accessories. I'll see what you get in the retail package now. This is the white version. This is your charge case with a Type-C connector on the back end and a sort of wavy pattern on the top as well. We open it up, there you can see the earbuds, and we get our first glance at the light up panel on the outside there. It's moved between colors. It was originally green, now it's purple. So we pull the earbuds out, that's where they charge up, right in there. We do have multiple ear tips, small, medium, large. Let me throw these guys in. So we're in a very bright studio environment right now. In fact, I have a light just glaring into my eyeballs. When you dim the lights, then things are really gonna pop. So you can picture an evening scene as you move about your favorite city, and you've got these glowing earbuds and everybody's taking note. It's got a very like science fiction appeal to it. People are approaching, they're saying, hey, I noticed the earbuds, let's chat. And then you say, let's. And who knows where you go from there. That's how the future works in my mind. Here you can see what the app looks like as far as changing the colors. Unique software system is what allows full control of the light for the GPods, 300,000 color combinations. So you can see it's like gradient options, variable dream, raging flame, northern lights, mysterious moods. And then the shell is the new product. By the way, those are tiger stripes, not zebra stripes. Mr. David Attenborough. Get it together, planet Earth over there. 6 RGB LEDs, IPX4 in-ear detection. We do have noise canceling. The charge case, 600 milliamp hours. The earbud, 45. Charge time, 1.5 hours over USB Type-C. However, there's a 10-minute fast charge for 2 hours of listening on their spec sheet. And these are touch controls on the side as well. Okay, let's crack into the black one real quick just before I listen to it. We might as well. More ear tips. With the white one, you have like a glossy finish, and the black one is a matte finish, which is kind of cool. And there's the black earbud. It does kind of still have a bit of a lighter panel, which comes off looking almost gray, but then the earbud itself is completely in black. I don't know, it's hard to say. Let me know in the comments section which one you would choose. HHOGene, that is how you pronounce the company name. This is pretty cool. So the whole app is purple because I've selected purple for my colors on the light. See the battery life of the charge case and the earbuds themselves. This purple is called Mysterious Moods. Purple is a fluid mood, mysterious and gentle, yet deep. Does this describe you? It carries a certain paradoxical beauty in itself. Purple does all that. Ooh. Variable dream. Let's go back to Halloween. Ooh. I have this on when I hand out the candy for the trick or treat. It's my costume. Back to Mysterious Moods with the lights a little bit more dim. You could do custom. Ooh, this is called Tokyo Night. Damn! Damn! I expect to have Tokyo Night in here. Raging Flames. Surreal Dream. They really came with the names here. Surreal Dream is kind of like what our ceiling is doing. Anyway, I can click on more colors and the thing is like endless over here. Then we go into customization and we can go ahead and create our own based on color capture or a photo. So I can just like take a cup, I'm gonna go right up to it, take a photo, use it as my inspiration, preview it, scans it, boom! You understand what's going on here. Tim Hortons red for the buds. Color capture, scan it, baby. Oh, nailed it. So if there's a particular setting or scene that you like, an inspirational moment you want to match on your earbuds, you can do it. That's a cool additional thing that they put in there. GPods light effect will change with the rhythm of the music. We can have it ripple with the music. Look at that, check me out. It can pulse with the music. By the way, it's playing music, some sample music, and breathe or breath more slowly on and off. Let's try noise cancellation. Now I'm a big fan of transparency specifically as an option because it lets you keep your earbuds in and still carry on a conversation or be aware of your surroundings. There's an actual shell section here. Wow, look at the way they package it. Yeah, just clips on. Wow, can you see it though? It's a lot different. Maybe orange Halloween plus skull. Cool. These little shells just pop on and off really easily if you want to have tiger, skull, or whatever. What do you got on here? A lot of bass, man. More bass than I expected. Oh, yeah. Damn, it's perfectly responsive to the music. Yeah, they're pretty cool. By far the coolest is Pulse, in my opinion. I don't know like where my expectations were, but it's actually brighter and more obvious than I expected, so long as the lighting is not super bright. It does respond correctly to the music. When you do have the lighting down, you kind of lose the earbud itself. You're essentially left with the lighting. So if you want to stand out in a crowd, in a sea of very similar looking earbuds, then this is definitely going to achieve that. People just haven't really seen this before.